NASA's AIM spaceship was sent into orbit around the Earth in April 2007 to study changes in the ozone layer and in glaciers. AIM is an internationally financed project and is further evidence of how climate and environmental issues are continually increasing in importance all over the world. More and more people are realizing that we cannot solve the problem of the greenhouse effect ourselves. We have to help one another. Consequently, Boras Energy miljo works in a large network that includes interested parties from research and educational areas where we combine our knowledge and experience to solve problems together. Thanks to our networking, we now belong to the absolute elite when it comes to energy, environmental matters and waste management. In the city of Boras, we try to utilize different energy flows in society and to transform the energy into various benefits for our customers. Imagine if our system could be introduced to a city like Rio de Janeiro, New Delhi or Beijing. It would be an enormous environmental improvement for perhaps an entire continent if they did what we do here. So what do we do in Boras that is so good? You can describe it by using our various biological cycles. If the crisp manufacturers absolutely insist on supplying their potato products in soft plastic packages, at least it's good to know that you are actually eating out of something that will eventually be transformed into heat for your house. Because in Boras, every household sorts its waste into black and white bags. The waste is collected by our biogas-fueled vehicles and transported to our high-tech facility at Subaken. First, the waste passes through our optical sorting process, where the black and white bags are separated. The black bags go straight to the biogas process. The white bags with combustible waste are crushed and ground, creating an efficient fuel for the waste facility at the RIA plant. This waste facility, consisting of 2 furnaces, is one of Europe's most advanced and is involved in a number of ongoing research projects. Today, most Boras residents have district heating, either at home or at work, or both. Recent years have seen an expansion of district heating in Boras, and our campaign to connect more customers will continue. We also use district heating as energy for producing district cooling. District cooling is supplied to public buildings such as hospitals, hotels, shopping centres and offices. We also use residual products from the forestry industry in our CHP plant. The biofuel is dried and becomes a high-quality fuel in 2 biofuel furnaces. The ash contains large amounts of nutrients and is ideal for spreading out in the forest. That is the end of the biological cycle when it comes to biofuel. It starts here on the bus, and this is also where it ends. A type of healthy biological cycle that actually generates movement in several senses of the word. Biogas is probably quite a novel concept for most people, but for us, it's nothing new. We started working with biogas production back in 1995. Since then, we have developed the process continually, and today we have one of Europe's most advanced biogas facilities. The process from food waste to biogas takes about 30 days. The gas is stored at the filling stations that are used by Boras local traffic and by us to run garbage trucks and company vehicles. Isn't it fantastic that we can actually power our public transport using something that is 100% environmentally friendly? A residual product from the biogas process is Boras compost, which is a soil improvement product that is sold to the town's residents. There's no doubt that everyone wants to do their part for a good environment, but we all have different capacities to do a good job. For businesses, Boras Miljo offers a number of services, everything from qualified energy services to a variety of customised waste solutions. This way, we can help make Boras companies competitive financially and environmentally. Constant progress. That is one of our central aims. We have achieved a great deal in terms of reducing environmental impacts, but we are not satisfied with that, which is why we frequently cooperate with the business, educational and research sectors in search of new achievements. Our vision is something we try to live up to every day. Together, we in Boras are doing our part in the worldwide struggle for the environment that is also in progress at NASA in California, at the UN headquarters in New York, in the Swedish government and here at Boras Energi och Miljo.